click run once. It recognized at first because it's a technical and everything is done. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go here and for the first part, engineering, here appears in the new label, engineering label. That's the reason that it automatically categorized here. This is, and if I open this, I'm gonna see what is the output speed of the year. This is the message that the client sent. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. Here we have, I have in the inbox, and this is the answer that the client will receive. Hello, this is the name of a client. We received your message. We will respond soon. Cheers. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna look into how to automate an AI agent that organizes your emails automatically. If you receive several emails a day or even more, if you own a business, you need to categorize and respond to messages from each specific client. This automation will save you hours and money. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. Basically, every time when you receive an email, ChatGPT will analyze this email and automatically will recognize and categorize to different labels that you have. And depending of what you want to do, you can respond yourself these emails or you can say to ChatGPT to respond these emails. We're going to create this scenario from scratch. Here we go. First of all, click here, create a new scenario. And the first module that we're going to use here is Gmail. And this first option, watch emails. You need to select the folder, and here I'm gonna select inbox, the filter type, simple filter, criteria. I'm gonna select all emails, and that's all. And here is the maximum numbers of results. It means that how many emails do you want to receive every time. In my case, I want to type here 10 emails. Click save from now on. Okay, and here the next module that I'm going to use here is ChatGPT. Open AI and create a completion. Remember, if you have an account, you will only need to add your account of OpenAI. Now, I'm gonna select method, in this case, and the model for this example. For this is good, I think. All right, perfect. Now, in the part of message, I have here the role. The first of all, I'm gonna select developer system, and here I'm gonna use something simple like this. You are an email classifier. You read emails and decide which label to assign to them from the available options. Okay. And another message that I'm gonna add here is with the depends of the user. And here I'm gonna paste this prompt. Okay. Basically, I'm saying here to ChatGPT that he will respond these three options: engineering, sales, and marketing, depending on the question that the client will ask. ChatGPT will recognize automatically and respond every question of the client. Okay, that's all. And here in this part, the email content, obviously it comes from the first module. And here is the text content. Okay, That's all. And I'm gonna click save. And now the next thing that I'm gonna add here is a rotor. And this rotor comes from the flow control. And now I'm gonna have here the three options for these three categories. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account, and here I'm gonna create the labels. First of all, I'm gonna press here engineering. I'm gonna create, press plus again, and here sales, create, and marketing. Okay, it's done. Maybe here on that colors. Alright, these are three labels. Okay, perfect. Now let's jump into make.com again. And here I'm gonna select the first module, the first level. I'm gonna go and Gmail account. I'm gonna select this option, modify email labels. Alright, and in this part, Gmail message ID, select this option, Gmail message ID. Okay, perfect. And here in this part, I'm gonna select what is the label. For the first option, I'm gonna take the engineering option. Click save. And then depending on what you wanna do, I'm gonna answer here. I'm gonna take a response to the client. This is important. In this part, I'm gonna add a sleep. In this part, for this example, I'm gonna add only 2 seconds. But for the real example, you can add 300 of seconds. It means that's 5 minutes. It's important because when you delay this answer to a client, it will sound and look more natural. Alright, and the last module, I'm gonna send this email. So select send email. Alright, and in this part, it comes from the first module. Email address, the subject, the same subject of the first module again, and in the content. Here, I'm gonna type a message for the client. Okay, for this example, I'm gonna use this text. Okay, here I'm using a simple HTML code to better sort the message. Alright, that's all. I'm saying here hi or hello in this case, and I'm gonna type here the name of the client. And I'm saying here, we have received your message. We will respond soon. And that's all. Cheers. Perfect. That's all in this part. I'm gonna click save again. And here you have everything here. This whole process. Now I'm gonna duplicate this part for every label. Okay. So I'm gonna select these three parts. I'm gonna copy and paste here. Okay. And again, I'm gonna paste here again for the third level. Perfect. This is for the engineering level. And here, I'm gonna make some changes here. I'm gonna use this for the next, not for engineering. It's for marketing or sales. In this case, I'm gonna copy for sales. And this third part will be for marketing. Okay, perfect. I have these three options. The example will be almost the same. And one more thing I'm gonna have here, it's the filter. I'm gonna set up a filter, and this first is for engineering. The condition will be the result from the previous module. Here, equal to contains case insensitive. Okay, and in this part will be engineering. Okay, perfect. Click save. And now I'm gonna add the same example for every part of this. Set up a filter here, label sales, the condition, the result from ChatGPT, and here the same for sales. Alright, and the last for marketing. The condition, the same, contains marketing. Alright, that's all. Perfect. It's time to make it a test. Now, I'm gonna go here to my Gmail account again. And here, I have these labels. And I have nothing in each one of these. Okay, well, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna create a new email to, I'm gonna send this email to myself. The subject, I'm gonna type an example. I'm gonna say here, technical question. And here, I'm gonna type something like, what is the output speed of the year? Perfect. This is a question. In this case, I am assuming the role of the client. I'm sending this information. Alright? Simple like this. And I'm gonna send this information. Perfect. I'm sending this. And I'm gonna go here and click run once. It recognizes the first because it's a technical and everything is done. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go here and for the first part, engineering, here appears in the new label. It categorized and organized in every label of this. And here it belongs to the engineering label. That's the reason that it automatically categorized here. This is, and if I open this, I'm gonna see what is the output speed of the year. This is the message that the client sent. Okay, now I'm gonna go here and depending on the message, now what is the answer that the client will receive? Here we have, I have in the inbox. And this is the answer that the client will receive. Hello, this is the name of a client. We receive your message. We will respond to cheers. Perfect. That's all. Now, let's jump in to make the come again. Okay, that's all. Remember, I'm using this example for this every label. You can add more labels here. If you have a company or you have different options here, you can add more options. But if you need to automate this part too, you can add another ChatGPT module here, and you can say to ChatGPT, okay, ChatGPT, you need to recognize depending of your database, you can respond your answers, or ChatGPT can create different options here too. You have here a bunch of tools that you can use in this flowchart in your automation, depending of the need that you have. Okay, well, that's all. Remember, you can get a blueprint of this scenario. Just go to the description below. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them below. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.